10-year-old boy clinging to a tree for 8 hours as his family car was swept away, his father missing. It's one of many heartbreaking images to have surfaced from the floods caused by record-breaking rain in central Spain. It's like a war zone. One neighbor in the town of El Alamo told CGTN. 14 minutes from Madrid city center in the wider, the devastation and destruction is all around. Cars are hanging off bridges and piled up in 3s and 4s by the torrents caused by record rainfall, mud-filled streets, as electric company workers in a crane try to restore power. Yesterday was catastrophic, the most terrifying day of our lives. El Alamo local Paulo Almedo explained. You could hear the people screaming asking for help, but we couldn't do anything. We felt helpless hearing the screams. We couldn't come out to help. Some did go out. There are stories of great bravery, of people diving into the water in the dark at 3 a.m. to pull neighbors from trapped cars, and younger people swimming into houses to help elderly members of the community to safety. I saw all the chaos from inside my house at 3 a.m., continued Olmedo. You can't even imagine it. And then when I came out this morning and saw all the destruction, I wanted to cry. What will the owners do now? She added. Yesterday it was impossible to get help, no matter how much we called the emergency services. Everything totally collapsed and they couldn't access the town. Today we are getting some help, but we need more, much more.